So guys, today we are making a chickpea patty or a tikki, whatever you want to call it. They're very healthy, they packed with proteins. So for that I've taken 2 cups of chickpeas, um, and you can also use canned chickpeas. If people who do not know what a chickpeas, I will show you the picture of the chickpeas. It must be coming on the over here. Okay, in that I have also added 1/4 cups of breadcrumbs, which is very important. You can't skip it. I've also added one small onion chopped inside it, and I will also use 2 tablespoons of green onions in it. You can, if you have more green onions, you can add it. I had 2 tablespoons, so I added that. I'm going to mix this all together very, very well. I'm going to mix it, and if I've mixed everything together, combined everything together, and now I'm going to add the spices into it. The spices are very small. I've taken half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. If you want to take more red chili flakes, you can take more of it. So I'm also using 1 teaspoon of hot sauce in it, and if you want to skip this you can skip it, but I'm going to use the hot sauce. um, I'm going to mix all these spices inside this mixture, and as you can see I've made round shaped patties. uh, right, I've made 7 patties out of it, and I've made